It's time to learn with Finn and Pip. Look, Pip, an enormous egg.
E is for egg. It's huge. Feel that smooth shell, Pip. So smooth and cold.
By egg, let's find an F word. A floating fuzzy feather.
F is for feather. Can I hold it?
It is soft and ticklish.
It goes no. Fly away, feather. Next is E.
A tiny magical elephant.
E is for elephant. It's so small.
Be gentle with his trunk, Pip.
High five, Mr. Elephant.
March on. Let's find an F. Look at that green frog.
F is for frog. Ribbit, ribbit.
Frogs have wet, bumpy skin.
Ew, it's slimy. I love it.
By frog. Ready for E? Wow, a majestic eagle.
E is for eagle. Look at those wings.
Eagles fly very high.
He looks like a king.
Soaring high. Let's find an F. A beautiful blooming flower.
F is for flower. It smells sweet.
The petals are soft as silk.
It's so fuzzy and nice.
Good night, flower. On to E. A red fire engine.
E is for engine. Vroom, vroom.
Look at the wheels spin.
They go so fast.
Bees. Drive safe. Let's find an F. A swimming, shiny fish.
F is for fish. Hello, fishy.
The water is cool and wet.
The fish is so fast.
Keep swimming. Time for E. A mysterious envelope.
E is for envelope. What's inside? What's inside?
It is made of crinkly paper.
It's crunchy.
One last F word to find. A glowing, bright firefly.
F is for firefly. It's like a star.
Look at that gentle light.
I'm glowing too.
Great job today, Pip. Goodbye, Pip. Goodbye.